What's up everyone? Welcome to this week in my life vlog. I thought I would just vlog a work week. I usually just do weekend vlogs, but the video before this is our Okemo ski vlog. So if you guys haven't seen that, check it out. It's really fun. It's just a ski trip in Vermont. But it's Monday morning now. I'm going to work for my part-time job. So I'm going to be going into location and shooting content. I do the social media for the business and I'm just getting ready now. I'm going to put a little makeup on, fix up my hair a little bit, and then that'll be most of today. Tomorrow I'm getting my hair done, so I'm very excited. I'm just gonna go throughout the rest of the week. So I'm still using the Kosas Revealer foundation. I really like this stuff. The shade Light Neutral 140. Usually I just put it right onto the beauty sponge and then I just dot it all over my face and blend it in. I like using a damp beauty sponge for this. And then I like to go in with the Kosas Revealer Concealer. I'm using the shade 2.5C. I just like to dot some of this under my eyes. And then on any blemishes that I have. I've been using the same makeup now for at least a year, I think, maybe longer. I'm not exactly sure, but I really like the Kosas brand. I feel like it's great and they use better ingredients overall, so I've been really enjoying their brand. For powder, I go in with the Kosas Cloud Set Powder. This is in the shade Feathery. And I just put a little bit in my T-zone area. And I also like to set my eyelids with this. For bronzer, I like to go either in, or I like to kind of do both, the Kosas Soft Bronze Light, and then the Hoola Bronzer. I just had this for so long, I want to use it up. And I feel like it provides a little extra bronziness with the Hoola. Because this one's pretty light, because I have the lightest shade. I'll just put a little bit on my cheeks and my forehead. I'm trying to do my makeup a little bit lighter today, but I do want it to last since I'll be filming for probably 7 or 8 hours straight. Just a little bit of the Hoola. Just a little bit of the Hoola right on top. Kosas Brow Pop in the shade Soft Brown. I would say this is my like 10-minute work makeup routine. I use the Ilia Beauty Clean Liquid Liner in the shade Midnight Express. It's a felt tip liner pen. I'm just gonna do a really thin line on my lash line. And then the Ilia Beauty Limitless Lash Mascara. I've been using this for a while as well and I really like it. I still have the same tube as well. I have not repurchased. Most of these products I've never repurchased. I have repurchased the concealer because that's probably what I use the most, but probably soon I'll be due for some repurchases. Maybe I'll try out some new stuff. I saw that Say Beauty or I don't think they just did, but they came out recently with the concealer. It's the Hydro Beam Concealer and I'm very interested in trying it. But I do like this Ilia Beauty mascara because it's very buildable. This is just a couple coats. Last thing, I don't do this every time, but the Elate Cosmetics Single Shadow in the shade Lumen. It's discontinued, but they probably have a similar one. I just highlight my nose a little bit. My brow bone. Shimmery white eyeshadow that I use as a highlighter. I've had this for quite a while. That is it for my little 10-minute work makeup routine. Really simple. Just a close up on that mascara. I feel like it does a pretty good job at not clumping. I'm just gonna probably fix up my hair a little bit. Very excited to get my hair done tomorrow because it's been like 6 months, I believe. I think the last time I got it done was maybe August of 2022. The last time I got it done, we actually kept it a little bit darker so that when it grows out, it wouldn't be too stark, but I do have some grow out marks. You can kind of see where the old color has grown out. So ideally, we're probably gonna keep it a little closer to my natural color on the top still, but just like blend it, and then I feel like I'm very excited to get a haircut. My hair is just getting very long. I slept in braids, so my hair's got a bit of a wave to it. I think I'm just gonna take a curling wand and probably throw in a few curls just to spice it up for filming. I'm not gonna be very particular with this. I'm just gonna grab random pieces, hold it for a few seconds, just throw in some extra curl. I feel like once I already have some waves in my hair from a braid, I don't have to curl every single section. I don't really curl my hair too often with heat. I probably do this like once every 2 months maybe. I usually just do braids when I sleep and go with the waves, or I'll blow dry my hair and have it more straight. I'm switching it up today a little bit. I've been trying to post more consistently on TikTok and Instagram Reels. So I've been filming a lot of day in the life mini vlogs. I think they're really fun. So if you guys want to see some more content from me, or everyday content, stuff like that, follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok. I have all my socials linked down below. I always like to brush through my curls, and that doesn't take very long. That only took me about 3 minutes to do. So that is my little work get ready with me portion. I'm gonna finish getting dressed because I'm wearing my sweats. I'm gonna have breakfast and then we're gonna head out. It's a little bit later now, around 7:30. Had a great day. Productive, got all the content shot, and I also ate while I was there. So I think now I'm just gonna look at some other computer work done. I want to edit my Okemo ski vlog. I have not done that yet. I might try to get some work done on that. It's Tuesday morning now. I spent last night pretty late working on my vlog for Okemo. So I'm probably gonna try to finish that today and get it up. But my hair appointment's actually getting rescheduled probably for another week or two from now. So that'll end up being in a different video. Today I think I'm gonna try to get my own content done, get that YouTube video done, and then I would like to start working and editing the content for my part-time job. So that's kind of the plan for today. I'm probably also gonna go home. I'm at my boyfriend's house right now, and then I think I'll go home for a few days, and then I'm coming back. So then we're going to Hunter Mountain. I just got home. It's around noon now, so I'm just gonna unpack all my stuff. I have quite a bit of stuff here to unpack and do laundry since I've been gone for a while, since we did just go on that ski trip. So I'm just gonna try to organize all my stuff as quickly as I can and then start getting some more work done for the day. One thing I just want to work on is not overwhelming myself with so many tasks to do in a short period of time. For instance, it's 12 noon now, and right now in my head I'm like, I have like 10 different things I want to do and get done today, but I just have to be practical and realistic with myself. I'm just gonna put on a podcast. I was listening to a podcast on the way back home, so I'm gonna finish that and then just take some time to unpack, do laundry, and then I'm gonna start doing my work for the day. After 1 now, so it took me about an hour just to organize, do laundry, kind of unpack, and then have some lunch. I just made like a chicken sandwich with tomato soup. I didn't really know what to make. That was pretty good. And now I'm gonna start getting some work done. I'm gonna do something for my part-time job, and then I'm gonna work on my Okemo vlog. It's a little after 7:30 now. Finished the Okemo vlog that's scheduled to go up. Just finishing processing the HD. And then I did a task for my part-time job. The laundry's good. I just have to take it out of the dryer and fold it. Take a little dinner break now. Wednesday morning now. It's around 9 a.m. I got up around 8 and then was just doing some things on my phone. Just kind of relaxing in bed for a little bit. I also deleted a lot of emails because I hadn't deleted any emails in months. So my morning skincare, and the plan for today is to get a lot of work done for my part-time job. So the other day I created and shot a lot of the footage and content. So now most of it has to be put together, edited, scheduled, posted. That's what I'm going to be doing today for a lot of my work hours. Yesterday I got up the Okemo vlog, which I'm really happy about. I think it came out so nice and I'm really happy I have that video to look back on. So if you guys want to check it out, it's on my YouTube. It's the one that's right before this, so check it out. I'm gonna make some breakfast. Not been on at my smoothie game. I think it's just been really cold here and I just haven't been wanting a cold smoothie for breakfast lately, but it's actually kind of nice out today, giving spring vibes. So I think I'm gonna make a smoothie, start getting some work done, and we're gonna go about our day. It's almost 2 p.m. now. I'm gonna take a little break from work, have some lunch, get outside for a bit because it's beautiful out. It's almost 60 degrees out right now, which is pretty wild considering it was absolutely freezing just a few days ago. But I think I'm gonna try to get outside and get a little walk in. Work is going great. I scheduled and edited a few posts, so that's awesome. And then we also checked out the unit that we're supposed to be renting soon. We're gonna be moving. Moving content will be coming relatively soon, so stay tuned for that. Around 8 p.m. now. I got a good amount of work done. I also took a bit of a break during the work day to help my sister out with something, and then to check out the place that we were moving to, eat lunch, all that. Just finished doing some scheduling for my part-time job with social media. I'm gonna have some dinner now, and then I'm just gonna see what I want to do for the rest of the night. Thursday morning now, a little after 9 a.m. I did my morning skincare, my little morning routine. Now I'm at my desk. I'm gonna start doing some work for the day. I still have quite a few things that I want to get done for my part-time job, so I'm gonna be editing and scheduling a lot of posts for that today. And then at some point today I do want to paint my nails. Today I'm going back to my boyfriend's house, and then tomorrow we're leaving on a trip for Hunter Mountain for 3 days for the weekend with a group of friends. That's really exciting. I'm just gonna have that be a separate vlog. I'll do some packing a little bit later before I head over to his house. But today, right now, I'm just gonna start doing some work. I'm going to be taking a little break from work. It's about 2 p.m. and I want to paint my nails while I still have the daylight and film that. Today's been pretty productive. I've gotten a good amount done for my part-time job. Thinking about what color I might want to do. Before I start the nails, I'm just going to try on this Poshmark thing I bought. This is the Jerv Avenue Bateau neck sweater. I'm not sure how to say that, but I found this for a really good deal on Poshmark and new with tags, so I'm just gonna try it on. Here's it on. I feel like it's super cute, really comfortable, really soft, and I just knew when I found this on Poshmark I had to buy it because they were selling it for less than the retail value. I've been eyeing this sweater from Jerv Avenue. I would definitely style this with jeans. I love the little sleeve detailing. It's kind of like a bell sleeve, a little wider there, so it's so cute. It's about 5 p.m. now. I finished painting my nails. I decided to just paint the one hand. I feel like they came out very cute. Did not feel like doing the other hand, so I just put a clear coat on this hand. I'm gonna start packing for our ski trip. We leave tomorrow morning pretty early, and we're there through Sunday, so it's 3 days, and we're going to Hunter Mountain in New York. I'll show you guys how I pack for a weekend ski road trip. Here's just an overview of the bulk of what I'm packing, and I'm probably overpacking a little bit, but it's a road trip, so it's fine. But I have 3 like cute tops, probably going out to dinner for Friday and Saturday night. And then I have 3 base layer sets here. I really like the ones from Columbia. One for each day because I'll be skiing Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, as well as a pair of ski socks for each day. I have my neck gaiter here. I'm bringing 2 pairs of jeans, a blue and a tan pair. And then I'm just packing some loungewear, so sweatpants, a pair of leggings, just comfy pants, plain basic long sleeve shirts, another loungy pajama set. This is a pair of pajamas. Also just some underwear, a bra, and regular socks. I'm bringing a bathing suit just in case. Pretty positive I'm not going to need it, but you never know. And then a hat and gloves. A lot of my ski stuff is at his house, so my ski pants, ski jacket, ski boots, my actual skis, poles, all that stuff is at his house, so we'll be packing that stuff all in the car. And my ski beanie is at his house, but this is basically all of the clothes that I'm going to bring, so I'm going to pack it up in my bag, and then I'll be all set. I also like to pack a backpack, and in here I'll put all my toiletries, so all my skincare, toothbrush, shampoo, conditioner, moisturizer, all that kind of stuff. And then I also like to bring my laptop, so I have all my laptop stuff in this bag. I'm bringing a hair dryer and a curling wand. I don't think I'm going to use the curling one, but I'll just bring it. And in here is all of my makeup, and then also some cotton swabs, some jewelry, so I just keep some jewelry in this box. And also just bring some earbuds. I'm also going to bring a little bag that I can put dirty clothes in throughout the trip. In this bag, I just packed some shoes, so I just have a pair of sneakers and my snow boots. So this is basically everything I'm going to pack for my 3-day ski road trip to Hunter Mountain. So the bulk of everything that I'm packing, clothing, toiletry-wise, I have ready to go over there. And then I'll pack my skis, my poles, my ski boots, and my ski pants, ski jacket. All that stuff is at his house. Not bad, didn't take too long. I have to pack another bag though because I am going to be staying at his house a few days after we get back. So I'm just going to pack another little bag with some extra clothes in it for those days. But then I'm going to head out. I'm also going to pack these earmuffs because they're just great when it's cold. So I'm just going to put these in the shoe bag. I always like to make sure I have some hair ties and a clip because when I ski, I like to keep my hair out of my face and I do French braids. So I'm going to throw this stuff in my purse. And then I just packed my bag for the couple days I'll be at his house after our trip. So I think I'm all set to go.